Hi, I'm Edison Ke, Director for Membership Benefits.
Rickets,
Yes, then.
what's your role in this year's board?
Membership benefits. Taga-inom, taga... The fun part, mostly the fun part. So,
Okay, let's talk about what was the most fun moment you had with your projects?
I would say the comedy night. It was very well attended, tsaka ang saya ng ambience kasi.
Parang everyone let loose.
Everyone is
kick back.
relax lang sila, tapos maraming sister chapters, maraming nationals, tapos yung mga members talaga, relax na relax lang, enjoy na enjoy lang. So, kapag nakikita natin yung gano'n, syempre, nakakataba ng puso. Diba? Na parang na-appreciate nila yung essence ng project.
Among all your projects, ano yung nakikita mo na that had the most impact and the most meaningful project that you had?
Color Run for Education. Doon ko nakita talaga yung buong aspect ng JCI. The community, the intrail, the natrail.
Everyone
Tapos
working together.
the members, diba? The media. Parang doon mo na gets yung buong paano siya mag-work together. Yung mga tao pala gusto tumulong, hindi lang nila alam paano. Maganda pala na meron tayong mga ganong projects, meron tayong ganong mga initiatives.
Bakit tinawag na solid member?
Yeah.
I want something na solid yung members. Solid yung project, solid yung directorate. So, isip ko na ano ba, angat member. Parang, so, gusto ko something na solid tayo. Everyone is solid. Parang, doon ang galing. Doon ang galing yung solid member. I've been a happy member kasi for like 13 years.
Yeah,
So, talaga members. Yun talaga ang nag-motivate din talaga sa akin na yung mga members kasi parang napamahal na rin. Parang ganun. Itong 1 year na to, grabe talaga. Personal growth, leadership, sobrang laki. Ramdam ko. Iba talaga.
Nice.
Iba talaga, Sen. Yeah.